In this video, we will discuss about SARS-CoV-2 variants. We will not cover all the variants that are presently identified. However, we will cover some of the variants and what are the mutation that are present in those variants and some of the implication of those mutations on the virus infection. So let us start with a common mutation that is present in alpha, beta, gamma, omicrons. Uh, that is this asparagine at 501 position is replaced with tyrosine. Uh, N501Y, N501 replaced with tyrosine, that is Y mutation that is usually in receptor binding domain that has increased the spike protein binding to ACE2 uh, to a greater extent. To some of the paper even reported that the binding has been increased by more than 10 times uh, compared to the original virus that exists that emerges from Wuhan. So, and this is receptor binding domain, and this is end terminal domain. Just for the information. And let us just start with alpha variant, that is also called GR/501Y.V1. So in this there are total 18 mutation that has been identified. Out of this 18 mutation, 8 mutation are in spike protein, and those mutations are such as deletion of amino acid at 69, 70, 144, and this mutation is as we have already discussed, this is one of the important mutation, and these are the other mutations that exist that happen in spike protein. And alpha variant is found uh, at first in United Kingdom. There it has been reported that around 43 to 45% of the people has been affected by alpha variant, and because of this mutation, predominantly because of this mutation, the transfection and transfection efficiency or the you can say transfection capability of the virus is more compared to the actual virus, and the monoclonal and the also however, the good thing for this alpha virus is that the vaccines are developed uh, for neutralizing these receptor binding domain and N-terminal receptor binding domain and N-terminal domain are capable of neutralizing this kind of this variant of virus. This variant of virus. Let's now discuss about the beta variant. The beta variant or is known as GH501 V2 variant. This is the variant that has caused emergence of second wave from Nelson Mandela Bay of South Africa. This is what has been reported. It also has 9 mutations in the spike protein. Out of this, these 3 mutations are in receptor binding domain, and these 3 mutation has increased the binding or receptor binding of SARS-CoV-2 with the ACE2 receptor. And another worst thing about this beta variant is that it can dodge or the monoclonal antibodies or the post virus monoclonal antibodies not able to neutralize this variant or this receptor binding domain of this beta variant, and the post infection treatment is also less effective, as this variant is able to evade the beta this beta variant is able to evade the vaccine. The third one and the last one that we discuss in this video is the gamma variant. This gamma variant has been first found in the United States around January 2021, and here the 10 mutations are observed in spike protein, and these 10 mutations are listed here. Out of this, the important mutations and that occur in the receptor binding domain are this L18F, K417T, E484K, and this variant also has similar problem that of beta variant. That is, it is able to evade the vaccine, and the monoclonal antibodies treatment are not that much effective. Monoclonal antibodies therapies and monoclonal antibodies therapies and plasma therapies, convalescent plasma therapies are not that much effective on this variant at that point of time. At that point of time, uh, based on the vaccines available at that time. So this variant also causes a major problem in the United States and after some time across the globe. And it has been found in around no this information. Next information is about next variant. So we will discuss next variants in subsequent videos. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.